My dear technician, welcome back to my new video. Check this out. Please don't skip this video. I want you to learn a lot. Please don't skip this video. Check this out. Check this out. This phone is doing on and off, on and off. This is the problem of this phone. My dear technician, the owner of this phone told me that they have not worked on the phone before. My dear technician, with that time wasted, let me start the video. Okay, I don't want to waste time, so let me start the video. My dear technician, check this out. They have not worked on the phone before. Check this out. Check this out. Everywhere here is very clean. Check this out. No stain. It's very clean. My dear technician, let me take my time and remove the tape so that I'll go deeply and check, because I want you guys to learn a lot. Okay? I want you guys to learn a lot. My dear technician, if you have any question concerning this video or anything at all, just let me know in the comment section. Please let me know in the comment section. So let me take my time to do this. Check this out. I'm taking my time to do this. Check this out. I'm taking my time to do this. Please be very, very careful. Check this out. I take my time to do this. My dear technician, I know some technician will say that the problem is from the power flex, is from the power button, okay? But it is not all on and off issue is from the power button. Like this one is not from the power button. I checked it before, it is not from the power button. My dear technician, I need to go deeply and check so that I'll be able to fix the issue. My dear technician, check this out. If you have any question, please let me know. Check this out. I'll be done. If you have any question, please let me know. Feel free. Tell me something. Check this out. My dear technician, so after opening the phone, the next thing is for me to test the voltage output from the battery. It is important. You may ask, Father Joe, why do you want to test? Okay, I want to test because the phone is doing on and off, on and off. Check this out. Here we have 3.7 volt. Yes, the voltage is not bad. I just turn on the phone now to see if the voltage will fluctuate. Check this out. Check this out. You can see that the voltage fluctuates. Check this out. We have 3.4, 3.5, 3.2. The voltage is not stable. Check this out. The voltage is not stable. My dear technician, so when you see this kind of thing, you can see that the voltage is fluctuating. Don't just worry, okay? Check this out. The phone is still doing on and off, on and off. So when you see this kind of thing, please don't just worry, don't panic, okay? The first thing that you have to do is for you to open the battery BMS. Open the battery BMS. The problem is from the fuse resistor, okay? So open the battery BMS. My dear technician, let me show you something. Please wait. Let me take my time to do this. Check this out. My dear technician, this is the fuse resistor. Check this out. This is the problem of this phone. For you to solve this is very simple. Just use a jumper wire to bypass it, okay? To lay it in this side and you're good to go. My dear technician, first thing, just use your tweezers or anything at all to scratch it, okay? Make sure you scratch it so that lead will be able to connect. Check this out. So let me apply lead. Take your time to do this. Let me apply lead. If you have any question, please let me know. Take your time to do this, my dear technician. My dear technician, check this out. If you have any question, please let me know. If you have any question at all, please let me know. Take your time to do this. Check this out. Let me bypass. My dear technician, please use jumper wire to bypass. Very, very important. Use jumper wire to bypass. Check this out. Let me take my time to do this. Check this out. Be very, very careful. Check this out. I will be done. Check this out. I'm done. My dear technician, like I said, if you have any question concerning this, feel free, let me know, okay? Let me know in the comment section. I'll be very, very happy. Check this out. I'm done. So the next thing is for me to use sharp objects and cut the wire off. I want a clean work. Check this out so that my customer will enjoy. Check this out. Take your time to do this. You can see. Check this out. Make sure you clean it very well. Check this out. Check this out. I will be done. I will be done. I will be done. Take your time to do this. Please do not rush. I will be done. I will be done. I will be done. Check this out. Please wait so that I will cover it. Check this out. Take your time to do this. Be very, very careful. Check this out. I will be done. I will be done. I will be done. My dear technician, let me fix the phone. I'm done already. Let me fix the battery BMS back. Check this out. Make sure you take your time to do this. Please do not rush. Take your time to do this. Now let me clip. Let me connect it back. Okay, I'm done. So let me turn on the phone. Check this out. My dear technician, let me wait. Want to see something? My dear technician, I'm done. The phone works like magic. 100%. Check this out. This is live proof. The phone works like magic. No time to waste. Check this out. The phone is not doing on and off again. Check this out. You can see it works. My dear technician, please wait. I want the phone to finish booting so that you guys will see live here. Live proof. Okay, please wait. The phone is taking time to boot, but please, sorry for a delay. Please wait. I want you guys to see the proof. For me, all my things is always open. I don't hide anything. Okay? I don't hide anything. This is real. Check this out. You can see the phone is booting. Please, guys, wait. Check this out. Please wait. Please wait. Please and please don't skip the video. I want you guys to learn a lot. Check this out. I will be done. I will be done. I will be done. Please wait. Check this out. Check this out. Okay, guys, the phone just finished booting now. Check this out. The phone works like magic. The phone works like magic. My dear technician, you can see I just fixed the phone now. Check this out. Just fixed the phone. 100% working. If you have any problem, anything you want to share with me, you're free. Let me know in the comment section. Okay? Let me know in the comment section. My dear technician, as you can see, I'm done. So let me couple the phone for the owner. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye for now. I love you all.